Hi guys! So, nakalimutan ko na ako yung tanaw, pero na-delivery ang focus. So, hi guys! We bought a new camera, for our YouTube channel. And yeah, we already unboxed it earlier, and we experimenting right now because yeah, we still don't know how to use this one because this is our first time to have a vlogging camera. Yes, because we usually use our phones. Include dira sa video ang descriptions unbox sa camera. Actually hindi ko siya unbox na-unbox na siya. So basta ito lang sa mga inside na as a box o kung sa mga kasa parang accessory sa camera. Yes. So, we bought this camera from Macy's store. Yes. At EPM in the front of SM City Cebu. Yes, and then thank you for accommodating us and entertaining. Yes. So, yeah, they're very nice people there. Yeah. Yes. So guys, we bought this camera for the price of 20,998. So they give us a discount because we paid cash. So we paid 19,000 1,998. So I think they give you discount if you pay cash. Birdie. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Hi, Asika.
Judon. Gamay na, Jay dong. Gamay na, Jay.
Asa na to ba si ate?
Jidin. Sa koko. Taas may koko. Sige, sana.
Bungag ko, oy.
Ay, yung katawa di ka dapat. Okay. So, hello coffee. You're sleeping coffee. Oh. And this is Milky. Hello Milky. Oh, sleep pa akong darling Milky. Sleep pa. And where? The other one. Oh. Hi, Kir.
Hello. Hello, everything.
Hi, Bella.
Bella, say hi to the camera. Huwag na natin.
So, I recommend you guys to go there and Macy's.